weekend we're gonna have some snow. I'm gonna give you some tips on how to survive this cold weather. Tip 1, wear a hood. Tip 2, don't drive, because that's dangerous whenever there's ice on the road and snow and all that, so don't drive. Tip 3, make a snowman, because all people like building snowmen whenever their house is getting destroyed and covered in snow. Tip whatever the next number tip is, because I forgot. Shovel your driveway, so in the event of an emergency, you can escape with your car without the danger of being snowed down by ice. Tip 21, make sure you wear warm clothing like a sweatshirt or a hood, as like in tip 1. Or maybe you shouldn't wear shorts, because that's a bad idea. Michael out.